Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. Today's video is going to be a really simple how to roll up your sleeve video. I'm going to show you how to roll up a sleeve with the shirt that I'm wearing, how to roll up a sleeve on a blazer, on a denim jacket, and on a t-shirt. This is not your traditional fold. This is more of like a casual, cool girl and effortless type of roll or fold on your sleeves. And so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. If you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, I'm just Naomi Boyer, and let's get started. Alright, so for this video, I'm just going to do a talk through. First, I'm going to show you how to fold or roll up the sleeves of a plain button-down t-shirt like I'm wearing. Now this one's really nice and summery. It's from Zara. I already have my left sleeve rolled up, as you can see right here. So again, this is not your traditional like bigger fold. This is more of a roll, and it's more of just like an effortless, like I didn't try too hard, I just threw something on kind of look. And so I'm going to show you guys how I got this roll on this sleeve. So a lot of times a shirt like this will come with a button. If your button's not too tight, you can button it. That way when you do fold it up, it could stay pretty tight around your forearm. But since this one's a little too tight on me, I'm just going to roll or fold it up without this part buttoned. So what I do is every time I fold a shirt like this, I follow the length of this part right here. Now this one is about an inch, and so I'm just gonna keep folding it up an inch till we get to the middle part. Again, leaving this part unbuttoned, just like that. And I'm just gonna roll it up the same 1 inch each time. So that's 2 times. Now I'm gonna do that again a 3rd time. So for the first 3 times as I fold up, I make it nice and neat and get the fold all the way around. But the next 2 times, because I want my sleeve to be kind of like closer to my elbow, I'm just going to fold up the middle, but not really get the rest of it. And so like I said, I'm just going to roll up from the middle twice. So 1, 2. So, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty much done right here, and you can kind of see it kind of looks uneven right here. There's like little twisting action going on, but that's kind of what I want. So that's pretty much how I get that fold. When I see little twists on a fold like this, I just feel like it's really effortless, it's casual, kind of goes with the look that I'm going for. So that's pretty much how I do it. So if you want to see it one more time, I'm just gonna fold it again all around, fold it one more time all around, just so that every part is secure. And then the last 2 times I'm just gonna go like that really quickly, focusing on the middle. And that's how I get fold. And then from here you can just push the sleeves up however high you want them. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how I fold the sleeves of a t-shirt just like this. Now this is a pretty baggy t-shirt, and structure is still important to me since I'm pretty small. I don't want something swallowing me or looking too sloppy, so I do like to fold the sleeves. So I'm going to show you on this side how I got this fold. So basically same thing as the first shirt. I'm just going to follow the stitching right here. This is about 1/2 inch. I'm not going to fold it any bigger just because it'll be harder, I feel like, to fold up and up to get that illusion. So again, I'm just going to follow what it already has on there stitched. And this one's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to fold it all around. And so that's pretty much it. Now if I wanted to, I could fold it one more time, and we can just go ahead and try that to see how it looks. However, you start running out of space in your armpit area, and so sometimes your fold will only go halfway. But you can already see the difference that it makes in the type of look you're going for. So let's fold the other side to show you, because I do kind of like a semi-cap sleeve when it comes to baggy t-shirts just like this. Again, like I mentioned, you saw the before and after. The sleeve on this side was a lot longer compared to this side, and with a fold on a t-shirt like this, it just kind of gives a little bit more structure. It gives a little bit more edge to the t-shirt, I feel like, than just wearing it down. So that's pretty much how you get this fold on a t-shirt. All right, now I'm gonna show you how I fold my denim jackets. Now I like wearing oversized denim jackets, but it doesn't matter. You can do this to any type of denim jacket that you have. So I'm gonna show you how I got this kind of messy, effortless fold on the left side. So as you can see, I buttoned up the sleeve right here because there is still a lot of room, and with a heavier jacket like this, I do want my sleeves to stay put and be tighter. So once you're done with the buttoning, you're gonna treat this fold like we did in the first t-shirt. Now I'm just gonna fold it all around, just like this. And this one's more messy. You don't have to really put too much thought into it. You can even go higher than this part right here. And then I'm gonna fold it the second time around like that. And as you can see, it gets a little thicker when you do that the second time. But what I'm gonna do now for the third fold is I'm gonna start in the middle, right here. Not right here, because I don't want the fold to be too big. So I'm gonna start in the middle, and then I'm gonna go over once, and then pull the rest of it around. And if it doesn't go around, and that's as tight as it goes, then you can stop there. And you can just push up on your forearm, that way it stays tight. So I wanna do that fold again, just for reference. I'm gonna go one time all the way around, fold it up, and then I'm gonna go a second time all the way around, fold it up. And so I guess that's a rule of thumb. Every time your fold gets too thick, you can cut it down to halfway by starting your fold halfway through instead of all the way up here. So put your thumb right here and then fold up to cut the size down. And then do the same thing all around. And push up. And that's pretty much it. All right, lastly, I'm gonna show you how to fold the sleeve of a blazer. It's pretty self-explanatory again, but I just wanted to show you really quickly how I got this fold on this side. So this one is from H&M. It's not your typical blazer. It's more casual, but if you have a more fancy blazer for work, you can still do the same type of fold. So this blazer has about 1 inch at the wrist. So I'm gonna follow that, and I'm gonna fold it all the way around the first time. And then I'm gonna just keep going until it's tight enough to stop. For this one, it's already tight at the second fold, so I'm gonna stop there, and what I like to do is I like to just tighten up by pulling up on the sleeve right here. And so that's pretty much how I got this fold on this blazer. Again, if you have a fancier type of blazer or a blazer that has more room, you can keep going and folding up if you want. Again, if your fold gets a little too thick, cut it in half, and then just focus on the middle if you want that effortless look. Otherwise, if you want a more put together, cleaner look, then you can just keep folding all around instead of focusing in the middle. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it for this quick and easy how to fold your sleeves video. Don't forget to check out my how to tuck and tie your shirts video. I will link that in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Give me some ideas if you want to see any more of these types of how-to videos. Again, if you made it this far but you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any videos like this. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just Naomi, and I'll see you in my next video.